What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sophia, RSVP, and I'm back with a new video. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Today I'm going to do a quick review for you guys of a shoe that I think that every female should have in their closet. If you love bling, you've been wearing a lot of bodycon dresses and just sexy outfits in general, I think that these shoes are super fun and super affordable, so they're a must-have. The other reason why I wanted to review this shoe for you guys was because, of course, at 988 Boutique, I have tons of accessories that actually complement this shoe. So even with the most simple, plain dress or outfit, you can utilize these shoes and 988 Concept accessories to complete your look. Let's get right into it. I went to Steve Madden the other day and I actually found these shoes, which are a dupe for another shoe that I saw at Brown's. The shoe is the Jeffrey Campbell Linda. I hope it's right. If not, I'll put it on the screen. But the Jeffrey Campbell Linda shoe was available at Brown's. I saw it a few weeks ago. The price, I think, was around $200, which isn't that bad for a crystal shoe. But the one thing I didn't like about that version of the shoe was that the ankle strap was Velcro. I'm not a fan of Velcro on expensive shoes or expensive looking shoes at all, unless it's like a sneaker or athletic look, because I just feel like when you use a Velcro instead of an actual strappy strap, it makes the shoe look a little bit cheap. So the shoe is from Steve Madden and it's called the Carrson Crystal. That's the box there, and I wear a size 10. So I'm going to just take the shoe out and show you guys what it looks like. And believe me, you guys have seen the shoe everywhere. It's totally trending right now. But I think regardless if you are the type of person that wears a shoe that's as extravagant looking like this or really, really blingy, it does serve a purpose to really, really jazz up some of those staple pieces that you have in your wardrobe. Alright, so let me take this out and put this down. Okay, so this is the shoe. This is the Carrson Crystal shoe. It comes in silver and black, I believe. This is what it looks like. It's a single sole shoe, but it has a super chunky heel and the heel is covered in crystals. Now, these are not Swarovski crystals. This is a new method of crystals that I've been seeing all over in fashion, and it's almost like a sheet that's an adhesive that you stick on. They're using it to make handbags, they use it to make shoes, and basically it's almost just wrapped around this heel. And the funny thing about it is you have to be really careful with this material because if you like hit them really, really hard, the crystals move. They don't actually come off unless you're super rough with the shoe, but they do tend to move out of place if you bang them. So it's going to be kind of hard to show you guys here, but these I wore once and I think I kind of like rubbed the heel, so it kind of moved the crystal out of place, and then you can actually use your finger to push the stone back in place. As long as you haven't like completely moved it from off of the you know, the adhesive backing that it sticks to, you should be able to save it. So I wanted to tell you guys about these shoes for two reasons. One is this crystal heel. It matches a lot of the accessories that we sell at 988 Concept. That I love. This is the strap that I was telling you about, where the Jeffrey Campbell version, they did Velcro and it was thick, so it didn't look as nice when you have your foot in it. Same thing with this one. I started to lose a little bit of crystal right here, so I kind of have to either glue it or move it back into place. But that's the one thing that you kind of have to be careful with when you're dealing with this kind of crystal material. Luckily, on the top here, I didn't really rub the shoe, so it's still in good shape. But you kind of have to be a little bit careful when you wear them. Yes, so one example I wanted to show you guys, which is super cool, that goes with this is the belts that I carry. I carry these crystal belts. They have an elastic waist. I have a bunch of different colors, but how adorable is this, you guys? If you're wearing a dress that requires a belt, or you want to belt a blazer with jeans, it will actually look really, really nice. And I'm going to try and insert some vid for you guys to see what this looks like on. But it's a super cute crystal bow belt, and I actually have it in a few different shapes. So this belt is so cute, you guys. Look, it comes in a all black crystal, and then it comes in a cheetah print crystal. I love this one. And then I have one more that I forgot about. And the multicolored crystal. How cute is that, you guys? These actually complement so many of the pieces that we have in the boutique. So there's all three of them. There's this one with the black band, and these are like one size, so they fit everyone. They just hook right under the bow. So if you don't want to do a white band and you're not wearing white, I also have these three. So I have this shape, which is the one that comes in the other colors. I also have this shape, which is a little bit bigger and pointier. This one here. And then I have this traditional bow as well. So there are actually three different styles, but they all just kind of hook right here. So really easy to wear. Just kind of snap them. One of them is a snap, and one is a hook. And I'll show you what those guys look like on. So aren't these guys gorgeous? So I have three sizes of belts that also go with those shoes, and I'm just gonna show them to you like this. So this is the first one. This is easy to wear with belts. This is gonna be the thickest one. Then I have the middle size, which looks like that. That's the middle size. And then, of course, I have a little itty bitty mini. This one's super cute for a dress. Not too fussy. But these guys, these add so much pizzazz to your outfit. When you see them on, you guys will see what I mean. But yeah, don't slip on these. These are not even badly priced. They're like $49, $29. The big ones, the big bows, $49, $29, $39. The skinny one is the cheapest. But yeah, these are super cute, you guys, and like you can't go wrong with the shoes. So if you're gonna do just a t-shirt and jeans and you're going out for drinks, why not do these two and a plain t-shirt, jeans? You'll actually look dressed up. So back to the shoe. The shoe is really, really comfortable. When I tried on the Jeffrey Campbell one, again, I didn't really like the ankle strap because of the Velcro, and it didn't look like it sit on your foot really, really nicely. I'm going to try these on for you guys so you guys could see what they look like. But again, they come in black, they come in silver. I know the Jeffrey Campbell one came in rose gold, for those of you that love rose gold. But again, this is the style that I like, and the Steve Madden is very, very comfortable. I wore them out already to a party, and I could stand in them all night because of this nice thick block heel. That's pretty much it. I will put the link to this shoe down below. This was just a quick review of the Carrson crystal shoe by Steve Madden. I will put a link to the shoe down below, and I will try and include some photos on, or actually if you just go to the 988 Concept Instagram, you'll see pictures and video of the belts. We always have them. Well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Do you guys already have them? Do you plan to get them? Don't you guys think these are a really nice addition to your shoe collection if you don't already have something bling and they're comfortable? Follow us on Instagram, 988 Concept, and my personal Instagram will also be on the screen. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and that's pretty much it. Peace out.